Hello, I hope everyone is taking care. My name is Gregory. I'm owner and managing installer of Credibility Flooring located in Charlotte, North Carolina. In today's video, you watch some cuts and process of how we start the work. We will install 670 square feet of laminated flooring, but before we need to remove 470 square feet of carpet, remove 207 square feet of linoleum. I hope you guys enjoy, like it, and please subscribe to the channel, hit on the like button, and comment what you think before and after. I will be posting more videos. Also, if you need help in getting done your flooring project, residential, commercial, please call or text to 704-665-7399. Another way to connect with me, below in the description of the video, I left some links that take you straight to our social media. Thanks for watching.